Did you know? Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, and the third pumps it to the rest of the body. But here's the weird part when an octopus swims. The main heart actually stops beating. That's why they prefer crawling along the ocean floor instead of swimming. And if that wasn't strange enough, their blood is blue because it uses copper instead of iron to carry oxygen. So somewhere in the ocean right now, there's an animal with 3 hearts, blue blood, and 8 arms solving puzzles and escaping tanks. The ocean is basically full of aliens.